everybody, welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puck. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today what we're doing sausage and pepper heroes. All right, on the Blackstone griddle. I'm gonna smoke the sausages. If you see it in my previous video with the smoke tube that I purchased, it works excellent. It gives you that nice flavor. So without further ado, let me get my sausages, peppers, and onions all set up. All right, let me tell you what I got here. I always buy my vegetables, my peppers, and I always julienne them, and then I freeze them. I can always have peppers on hand when I need them. I also, some onions I have here, some regular sweet onions, and we have the sausages. All right, hot Italian sausages, okay? I will be smoking those. So let me get the griddle set up, and I shall return. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this smoke tube set up. I'm going to get it all fired up. And once I get it all fired up, I'm going to put the sausages on. All right, so I'll be right back when this is all fired up. All right, I put my probe into one of the sausages here for internal temperature. All right, so I'm going to close it down, and I'm going to turn the griddle on to low. Don't need nothing higher. And let it take its course. So I shall return when they start to cook. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, the temperature has reached 145 degrees, and they look lovely. Okay, so they look beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give them some color. But I'm going to take my smoker tube and move it to the side. I'm not really using it no more. So, take my sausages, put them down, and I have to remove the sensor. Very hot, careful with it. Set it to the side. Alright, I'm going to remove the pan. Alright, here we go. This is what we're going to be doing here. Alright, I'm going to have to get some olive oil, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got my olive oil here. Oh, I'm going to get... These are hot Italian sausages. All I'm going to do, get them a pretty color. Oh yeah. Now I found out that with Blackstone, with any griddle, you get your temperature very high. And then once it gets to that, it's high, turn it down low. Alright? The food cooks real quick here. Right? And basically these are almost done. Internal is done, 145 degrees. The fork, nice and firm. Give a nice bite on them. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove them. Because they're done. These are definitely done. Alright, so I'll be right back with the vegetables. Alright, I just threw my onions down here. I'm going to get it all down here, all my peppers. These are still frozen. But they'll cook up just fine. Alright. Don't need that anymore. And break them up. There we go. Yeah, I just ordered a part. Whoa. For the back of my grill. So none of this stuff will fall down into it. If anybody can tell me in the comments, why did my grill just warp on me? Please leave it in the comments and let me know what I can do to fix it. But she just warped on me. Wow, look at this. completely warped on me. And how to prevent it. Alright, I'm going to let these cook down, and once they cook down, I'll be right back. Alright, what I just did just now, I just hit it with a little bit more, some Worcestershire sauce. Alright, I'm just going to let these cook down for a little bit. All the veggies get a little translucent and soft, basically. Alright. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Let me use my spatula here. Alright. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close it down, turn it to low, and just let them cook. And I'll be right back when it's all said and done. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Just to let you know, the vegetables are done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them off now. Alright. Alright. This is going to taste fantastic. Can't go wrong with sausages and peppers. Especially when you do them on a griddle. Ooh, look at that. Don't want to lose none of my vegetables here. Alright, well, I just lost one. But that's okay. Alright. And here we go. All my vegetables are done. Got a piece of onion fell. Oh yeah. So let me just get a little cleanup here. Blackstone Griddle. Whoop. Blackstone Griddle cleanup is real easy to do for any griddle. That's all it is to clean up a Blackstone Griddle. Fire off. Just trying to get it ready for the next use. Alright. I'll come out later on this evening and finish it up because I'm hungry right now. Alright, so I'll be right back when I start making the sausage and pepper heroes. Hey, what's up, everybody? Alright, what we got sausage and peppers here. So I'm going to build my sandwich right now. I'm hungry. Alright. A lot of veggies. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so I got my family here and they don't want to be in camera, but that's okay. But I gotta give it a taste test here. Now that's a sandwich. We couldn't find regular hero breads. My wife had picked up these whole wheat hero rolls, so we just had to deal with what we can get. Oh, the vegetables are delicious. Oh my god. Oh yeah, baby. That's good. That's good. One more bite. You can't go wrong with salt and peppers because they are very delicious, very simple to cook. Well, please support my channel. I would appreciate it. Give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. And I definitely see y'all people on the next video. Peace out.